Hey all you cool cats and kittens, I'm just kidding. What's up you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today we're going to be talking about the 10 best performing stocks since the recession. Guys, please like today's video. It's going to be very fun, maybe a bit less educational than usual. So if you're really looking to learn a lot, I'd check out one of our other videos, but it's going to be very fun. So like the video, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer though, you might be a little depressed seeing what you missed out on. But anyway, try to take something of value from this. Number 10, ULTA Beauty. ULTA increased 5,880% since its bottom in 2009. The stock went from just a few dollars to a 2017 high of well over $300 a share. If you would have invested just $500 back at its bottom, today that investment would be worth over $29,000. That would be enough to buy a 2020 two-door Jeep Wrangler. They're a beauty retailer with retail stores, salon services, and of course online sales. Number 9, Insulet. They have increased over 6,169% since its bottom in the recession. Their stock today trades at over $179 a share compared to its bottom of under $3. It did hit a high this year of $212 a share, and if you would have invested $500 at its bottom, today that would be worth over 31 grand. That's the average cost of a wedding. This is an insulin delivery system company that developed a unique way of delivering insulin without any needles. It's like a patch on the arm. Number 8, Netflix. Finally, a company I know you have all heard of. Their stock has increased 6,608% since the recession. While I do think that their current price of over $400 is a bit overvalued, it still is impressive considering that their stock was trading at just a few bucks a share about 11 years ago. If you would have made a $500 investment at its bottom, that investment would now be worth 33 grand today. That's enough to buy 6 Bengal cats and a kangaroo. Of course, you all know Netflix as the digital streaming service that you probably all just got off of, but back in the day, they actually started off delivering DVDs by mail. They've just been disrupting industries ever since. Number 7, LENDINGTREE. They are up over 7,104% since the recession, and they are trading over $200 a share. A $500 investment would now be worth over 36 grand, which would be enough money to buy a brand new BMW 2 Series. They profited from a unique way of doing loans where users can go online and request loans from a marketplace of loaners. Number 6, DEXCOM. Up over 8,182% since about 11 years ago. They went from trading as a penny stock to now trading over $300 as a high. $500 invested at its low would now be worth over 41 grand. That's enough for a stay at the Royal Suite at the Plaza Hotel in New York. That's one night stay, by the way. That's just one night. They must have free Wi-Fi. This is yet another company in the diabetes industry. Must be a very profitable industry, I guess. They developed a machine that can monitor your glucose levels and can be monitored on a cellular device. Number 5, Exact Sciences. Their stock has increased 8,307%. They rose from a stock selling for well under $1 per share to a high of over $75 a share. $500 invested would now be worth over 42 grand. That's enough to buy a lavender albino ball python and 2 bird-eating tarantulas. This company has a product called Cologuard that specializes in diagnosing and preventing colon cancer. Number 4, INTEGRIS. This stock has rose 9,128%. During the recession, it was trading around 50 cents at its low, and today it's over $50 a share. $500 invested could now be worth over 46 grand. You could buy a 2020 Jaguar F-Pace with that amount of money. This company works in the microelectronics industry. Number 3, Lululemon Athletica. This stock is up 9,635% from its bottom in 2008. Today, it is worth well over $200 a share. An investment of $500 would now be worth over 48 grand. There's a jet ski called the Sea-Doo RXT. It's a luxury jet ski, and with this amount of money, you could purchase a grand total of 2 of them. As you can tell by their name, they focus on athletic products, and they generally market more towards women. Number 2, NEXSTAR Media Group. Brace yourself, this stock has went up 18,362% Sorry you missed out on this, but they were at one point well under $1 in the recession, and now they're selling for over $60 a share. With a $500 investment, that could now be worth over 92 grand in just about a decade. With that money, you could buy a 2020 Lexus GS and the film-used golden snitch from the first Harry Potter movie. This is a TV broadcasting and digital media company. They may not perform as well in the future, however, with declining local news consumption. Now, number 1. Jazz Pharmaceuticals. This stock is up 20,534% since the recession. During the recession, this stock plummeted to around 50 cents a share, or at least close to it, and its high in 2015 was over $200. If you would have invested $500 today, that would be worth over $103,000. That's enough money to pay for 2 years of rent in New York City in an apartment, and you would still have enough money left over to buy 7,000 quesadillas from Taco Bell. This is a biotech company with a lot of popular drugs that treat very serious diseases. If you take anything away from this video, it should be that predicting breakout stocks is near impossible. However, it is possible, and generally it's in like weird industries. With that said, we might be entering a recession soon, so you might be making a video in 10 years talking about the best stocks that you could have invested in at this time. So yeah, pretty interesting stuff to think about. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.